Want to activate eSIM on your iPhone? All you have to do is install the MTX Connect app from the App Store. Select With eSIM and subscribe to the offer of your choice. Don't forget to check the country in which it is offered. Enter your email address. Select the country of your residence. Select the payment method. Add your card details. Click on the Pay button. 3DS Bank confirmation page might appear to validate the transaction. Click on the OK button. Now enter the verification code and click on Submit button. And that's it! Your order is completed. Now add your billing address information and click on Next eSIM Setup button. To activate eSIM, click on Continue button. Congrats! Your eSIM is now activated on your iPhone. In order to use MTX Connect data plan now or later, mobile data must be selected for the MTX Connect eSIM. In order to keep making receiving phone calls to the home line, always keep default line set to your primary home line. Whenever MTX Connect eSIM is not needed, just switch mobile data back to your home line, or simply turn it off in the SIMs list menu.